can see in the title, I will be showing you what you need if you want to be a vlogger. I actually still consider myself as a startup vlogger kasi wala pa naman akong ganun kadaming subscribers or followers. But I still wanna help out anyway. Kasi when I started, I really didn't know what to do. As in, sobrang blanco ko. Tapos kala ko, kailangan maganda yung equipment. Eh, di ba kapag maganda yung equipment, mahal? So, ewan, nahirapan ako sa part na yon. What's important is the content talaga. But if you want it to be quality naman yung mga videos nyo, that's not a problem. But yeah, in this video, papakita ko sa inyo what I used and what I still use if I use my phone to take videos or if I use my digital camera. So yeah, I'll just get along with the video. If you guys are interested, just keep on watching. So, if you are a vlogger and you only use your phone, there's no problem with that. Mas maganda lang sana if the quality of your phone is nice na. So, personally, I'm using an iPhone XR and I have been using it for a year na kasi 1 year pa lang naman ako nagva-vlog. Pero, if you want to improve on your sound quality, I suggest buying an external microphone. So, what I'm using is this. This is the Boya BM1 lavalier mic. Ganito siya. I'll show you what it looks like. Ayan. It's very long. Para siyang yun, parang lapel, lavalier nga, diba? So, it has this mic, tapos clip, pwede mo siyang i-attach dyan. But ako kasi, ang ginagamit ko dito, if I do voiceovers, I have a lot of voiceovers kasi on TikTok, ina-attach ko lang siya using this plug. Pero you have to buy an original adapter ha. Original na ganito. Kasi may nabili ako dun sa parang, yung madaming mga cellphone sa town. Sabi ni ate, oh, meron daw siyang original. Sabi ko, sige, pabili niyan. Tapos, ang mahal, parang 800. Sabi ko, bakit dun sa Switch, 650 lang. Bakit sa inyo, 800? Ay, kasi original. Pero sige, check ko. So, binabaan nila. And after nun, hindi gumana. Tapos, sabi ko, ate, hindi gumana, bla bla bla. Dami ko nang sinabi. Sabi mo, original to. Tapos sabi niya, hindi. Sabi ko, Class A original. Class A original. So, sabi ko, hindi, refund. So, yon. So, bumili na lang ako sa online na Apple. And then, syempre, you would need good lighting, diba? Ako, I like filming in daylight kasi mas maganda yung light. Ayoko nang gano'n na galing sa ring light. Pero, it's completely up to you. So, if you're using your phone, a standard ring light will do. Meron ako nabili sa SHOPEE, so I'll just put the link down below kasi, ano lang yon, it's very mura lang. Basically, when you're using your phone to vlog, sobrang practical and very easy to use lang kasi konti lang talaga yung need mo. But if you have been vlogging for many months now or a year na and you feel like you want to improve on the quality of your videos, then we will be moving on to the next one, which is a digital camera. So for this part, I have 2 suggestions. So if you are going to be doing a lot of sit-down vlogs, like what I'm doing now, then I suggest you buy parang Sony, Canon. When I did my research, I liked Sony ZV-1 the best because mas maganda yung quality ng sound niya. I like how it looks. Yung quality niya talaga. It's just preference, but I prefer the Sony ZV-1. Story time about how I got my Sony ZV-1. So, sa Carousell ko siya binili, guys. Yes, sa Carousell, hindi sa physical store. Sa physical store, grabe, like, camera lang mismo, 50K na. So, I'm like, grabe ang mahal. Hindi ko yan kaya. This is from, I forgot who the guy is. I'll just put it here. Pero yung conversation namin sobrang light. And I looked at his reviews naman and maganda yung mga reviews niya. So, trustworthy naman yung seller. On top of that, sobrang steal na because I bought this at like 34,000. Actually, 35 siya and then nagtawad ako. 32 dapat. And then he didn't want. So, I said, sige, 34K na lang. I'll pay now. Please deliver it today. Ganon. Kaya sinasabi kong sobrang steal na because hindi lang camera yung nabili ko sa 34K. It came with accessories pa and a memory card. Basically, what I got was the camera, the Sony tripod remote, 2 batteries, dual charging dock, memory card, metal L plate, and that's it. Actually, dapat kasi may wind muff, pero nawala daw niya, so he didn't include it na. Pero that was fine with me. Tapos, ito pa. Ewan ko kung pwede kong ikwento dito, but like, yung memory card na nakuha ko, may laman. So, may mga explicit photos doon. And then I messaged him about it and then he was ignoring it. Pero dinelete ko na siya. Hindi ko alam kung bakit gamit na yung memory card. Sabi niya hindi daw gamit. But okay lang yon sa akin. Second hand is fine with me. When I got it, it actually came here in this box. So obviously hindi siya yung box ng ng Sony, it's Logitech. So this is the dual charger, yung cable, USB cable, and then the tripod remote. You just attach this sa camera and then you can control the settings here. So for the first few weeks that I've been using the camera, I noticed that yes, the sound quality is okay, but it can be better. So for external microphones, I have Boya BMM1 and I also have the Rode Video Micro. I'm actually very thankful kasi hindi ko naman talaga binili tong mga mic. This was actually given to me by Henry's Cameras para daw ma-review ko and all that. And I did naman. What I've been using is the Rode Video Micro, what I'm using right now. And I also use the Boya BM1. Yung Boya BMM1 naman kasi okay naman sana siya. But compared to the Rode mic, it's better. I mean, the Rode mic's better. So, I just use the Rode mic na lang. So again, if you do a lot of sit-down vlogs, that's the kind of camera and equipment that you want. If you travel a lot naman and you go on adventures, water activities, then obviously you would need a sports camera. So nung pumunta kami ng Batangas, I was like, I want a camera, I want to vlog underwater. So bumili kami ng GoPro. This is the Hero 9 and this is what it looks like. Once pa lang namin ito nagamit, but the quality is amazing. Kakabili ko lang nitong case and I'll get the parang stick. So this is the stick that you want to buy if you have a GoPro. Kasi kapag nasa tubig and you accidentally like drop it, it will float lang. So mas okay. And this is really, really long talaga. Ay! Ano ba yan? Yan. Then, I don't know what you do with this one. Di ko pa talaga ito nagagamit eh. Kasi, syempre, pandemic, we haven't been traveling a lot. But just in case, diba, at least I'm ready. If you guys are curious where I got this and the other accessories, like the case, I'll put the link down below. Kasi yung seller sobrang bait. I think he noticed na may napili akong wrong case doon. Then may na-check out ako na mali, na-add to cart ako na mali. Sabi niya, "Hello, Miss Justine, are you sure na ito yung klase na gusto mong bilhin? Because that's for a different model." Sabi ko, "Ay, hindi, for the Hero 9. Sabi niya, okay, sige, let's see if I still have it." So, the seller's really nice, diba? Kasi if ever na katulad yung mga iba na wala naman talagang connection with the customers, edi napabili na ako ng mali, diba? I also got a battery because yun yung feeling ko is very important. Syempre, you don't want to have your camera die in the middle of like an activity. Okay, so basically we're done. That's it. That's all you need, diba? Sobrang konti lang. Pero it produces great results pa rin. And all you have to do is think about the practicality. You don't have to have a lot of equipment. You don't have to have a lot of accessories. Yun lang talaga. I really hope that I helped you guys out in a way kasi yung ako na dati, I think I would really appreciate watching this video. Pero, ayun. I hope you guys really did appreciate this and I'm very happy to answer down any questions or anything really sa comments. I'm gonna talk to you, chat tayo if you need help. I'm very open to do that. So yeah. Good luck in your journey and thank you guys for watching. So please don't forget to like and subscribe because I make videos every week. Bye!